Look what happens when I give this girl some ketchup and mustard and some hot dogs. Katie Joanne! You silly. You're so dirty. You ate almost all your hot dogs. Well, half. What? Wait, let me see. You're so dirty. Want some juice? Good girl. Very good girl. Dirty. Katie loves Daddy. Peekaboo. 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 Good girl. No more hot dogs? Dirty. Why are you so messy?